Hello po Sagittarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome to James Tarot PH. So diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading. Monthly reading for February 2025. So na-pre-shuffle ko na po lahat ito. So let's start. I-take nyo lang po kung ano yung makaka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. And use your intuition po para makuha nyo po yung akmang message for you this month of February. So in the heart of your reading, you have the Ace of Cups. Beautiful. New beginning. In the area of what you want, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Wow. In the area of what you need, you have the Page of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your recent past, you have the Seven of Wands. In the area of your near future, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. New start. Everything will be in your favor. Kaperahan. Wow. In the area of your challenge, we have the Page of Pentacles. Pera pa rin. In the February, swerte mo Sagittarius. In the area of your fortune, we have the Three of Wands. Kung anong hangarin mo, makukuha mo. In the area of your advice from the Divine, we have the Page of Wands. And the Three of Swords. Okay, in the area of your outcome, this month, you have the Death card, Transformation. So, huwag kayong ma-alarma dyan. It will be a good card because I'm seeing that this has an energy of abundance po para sa inyo. At the bottom of your deck, you have the, oh my God. Kita nyo ba to? King of Pentacles, you focusing on things na mas importante sa iyo for the long run. Money, negosyo, trabaho, everything will be fruitful. Lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, magiging maganda ang outcome. Everything will go in your favor. Kung ano yung tinanim mo, anihin mo because look at his dress, his royal garb, punong-puno ng grapes, meaning lahat ng tinanim niya magbubunga kahit gaano kahirap niyang tinrabaho yon, magiging fruitful, makukuha niya yung fruition ng mga pinaghirapan niya. So, great unang card sa inyo. At the center of your reading, we have the Ace of Cups, a brand new beginning, may darating na swerte sa'yo, na magiging sobrang saya mo. I'm seeing this as an answered prayer. Pwede ring bagay na matagal mong minanifest and now it will come to you. For others, I'm seeing this as a pregnancy. Kung matagal mong hinangad na magkaroon ng baby, o I'm also hearing a boy, gusto mo ng boy, it will come to you na. I'm also hearing good news about a job or a promotion. Others, a sideline, o ito na yung, for some, narinig ko, this is a brand new opportunity for a business. So, ang ganda ng pasok sa unang card mo, Ace of Cups. So, let's clarify. Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is Queen of Wands. You're on your element. Kung ano man itong parting na to, it will complete you. Kung ano man itong bagay na papasok sa iyo as na blessing, it will make you happy. Malakas yung kutob ko kanina about pregnancy because it's about a woman having that passion and great happiness for something na darating. I'm also seeing yung talagang pagbubuntis or accomplishing something, talagang minanifest mo before. Dahil hindi ka sumuko, makukuha mo siya. Akit tayo sa area ng conscious and subconscious positions. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang to para hindi magulo. And the position of what you want, itong gusto mo, umuulan talaga ng biyaya, fortune for you and your family, and pagkakakitaan mo on the long run, yung parang hanggang sa mag-retire ka, ito yung bagay na magdadala sa iyo ng maraming biyaya o cash flow, So, you want a stable job, you want a stable negosyo, you want bagay na askasuhin mo na alam mo na magiging importante sa iyo hanggang sa tumanda ka. It's about your legacy, your family legacy. I'm seeing someone nag-iisip magtayo ng maliit na grocery katabi ng bahay nila, may roll-up doors. Yun yung nakikita ko. So if that is for someone very specific. So if that's your plan, Sagittarius, this is for you, a reading for you, confirmation. I'm also seeing someone nabibili ng motor for delivery. I'm seeing also a gasol, tindahan gasol, something about a negosyo. So, this is something na gusto mo mangyari. And this is very attainable with the cards na nandito, with the Wheel of Fortune in your reading in the near future, and the Three of Wands next to it. at may King of Pentacles ka pa, at may Page of Pentacles ka pa, at may transformation ka pa. So, this is a wonderful, wonderful want for you kasi ma-attach mo, ma-magnetize mo yon yung mga bagay na to sa bagay na gusto mo. So, the 10 of Pentacles is being clarified by the 7 of Cups. Everything that you dreamed of, yung mga bagay na tina-target mo before na gusto mo matupad, eto na yun. Ito yung mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari. Something that you will use on the long run. Talagang pang matagalan. Hindi yung iisipin mo, next year kaya meron pa nito o this 6 months lang ito, may endo. Alam mo yun? So, you want something that will last for the entirety of your working career or your life. Alam mo yun, yung parang kakakitaan mo for a very long time. In the position of what you need a Page of Swords. You need to learn things as you go. Kung may darating na biyaya sa'yo with the Ace of Cups, you need to learn it. You need to research on the things na kailangan mo paghandaan pag dumating tong biyaya na to. For example, if it's about a business venture, syempre kailangan mo pag-aralan yung economics nun, yung about sa negosyo. So, wag kang pakampante sa mga alam mo lang ngayon. If it's about pregnancy, learn more about how to change your diet or para mag-grow ng maayos yung baby. If you're a father, ganun din. If it's about school, of course, kung meron kayong exam, study harder, o kung merong extracurricular activities that you need to attend to dahil wala kang choice minsan pag estudyante ka, diba? So you need to work on it. Maraming tutorials sa YouTube. Try to open one and learn things na related dito sa minamanifest mo o sa parating na blessing sa'yo. So it's up to you if you want to learn or not. But the Page of Swords is telling you, you need this in order para kumapit lalo itong mga blessings sa'yo, because you can't let them go. Hindi to pwedeng mag-slip sa hands mo, because this is like a once in a lifetime opportunity for you. So grab it while it's there, and nurture it, protect it, at para magbunga siya katulad sa King of Pentacles na card. So the Page of Swords is being clarified by the Two of Swords. Okay. Nag-aalilangan ka to do this. I'm seeing talaga you're very complacent with a lot of things. Parang, kaya ko na yan, alam ko na yan. So, one thing's for sure, if you want to have a better outcome dito sa paparating na biyaya o opportunity, huwag kang sitting pretty o pakampante. Huwag ka din bulag-bulagan sa dapat mong malaman, dapat matutunan. Huwag ka lazy. So go with learning and relearning. Think this as an opportunity for you to grow pa. Okay? In the area of your recent past, you have that 7 of Wands. You have proven yourself to other people. You've worked hard. Tinanim mo tong mga wands na to as a lesson and credentials. I'm seeing you having this elaborate na biodata o curriculum vitae. I'm seeing na parang you have proven yourself with the skills. But since may bagong darating sa'yo, kailangan mo i-relearn yung mga bagay na applicable dito sa blessing sa darating, because sometimes things get so complicated, kaya kailangan mong din sabayan yung mga changes, especially now na after what happened to us in the pandemic. Kailangan mong pag-aralan ulit yung bagay, because the business changes also. Kung ito ay trabaho, the work dynamic also changes, so kailangan mo i-relearn yung mga bagay-bagay. So the 7 of Wands is being clarified by the 3 of Cups. You proving yourself to these people na kailangan mong i-impress, o you have also celebrated. I'm seeing celebrated because napatunayan mo o nagawa mo, na-accomplish mo yung task na yun. You're now ready for a brand new opportunity na darating sa'yo. You're an accomplished person, I'm seeing. What you need now is to relax and enjoy the things na meron ka. With the rewards, reward yourself with a relaxation para ma-compensate yung hard work na binigay mo. So, you learn to have this work-life balance, especially in the past. Now, with the brand new opening or brand new opportunity sa'yo na magiging masaya ka, things are turning in your favor with the Wheel of Fortune card. You'll be very, very happy with this. I'm seeing a roleta, alam niyo, pag ikaw mismo yung nag-ikot nun, and kung saan siya mag-stop, it will make you so happy. So, destiny is giving you the chance to turn things in your favor. So, wag kang complacent. Study if you need to study. Protect things if you need to protect them. Kung ano yung natutunan mo dati, napatunayan mo dati, you have to revisit them to see kung akma pa rin ba siya dito sa bagong darating sa'yo para alam mo kung anong gagawin to keep this wheel turning para sa'yo. So the Wheel of Fortune is being clarified by the Tower. O may Tower na tayo, may Death card pa. So this opportunity na darating sa'yo will change your life for the better. It will really take a 180 degree turn sa life mo. Kung ano yung dati mong ginagawa, mag-iiba yan for the better. A brand new opportunity, a brand new life, or a brand new workplace, or aangat ka sa trabaho mo. If it's really about pregnancy, it really change your life kasi magkakaroon ka ng anak na aalagaan mo. So it will change your perspective, change your economic plan for your family planning. So embrace this change because it will go in favor of you this February. In the area of your challenge, you have a Page of Pentacles. Challenge sa'yo this month is to focus on the things that are important. Huwag kang madidistract. Let go muna of leisure. Probably it's about masyado kang umiinom, masyado kang nagpa-party, o masyado kang nanonood ng Netflix, o for others, ito iba-iba. I'm detailing and enumerating things for different other Sagittarius collective. For others, pwedeng kung estudyante ka, masyado kang gumigimik, hindi mo pinag-aaralan o hindi ka nag-focus sa bagay na to. So if you want to keep this fortune na gustong-gusto mo mangyari, focus on it. Don't lose interest. Don't lose that fire. Don't be distracted and continue on pursuing this and reshaping this para maratili siya sa'yo on the long run. The Page of Pentacles is being clarified by the Fool. Yeah, maraming bagong dahil sa changes na mangyayari sa'yo, there will be a lot of mga bagong bagay na dating sa'yo. Kung ito ba sa pregnancy ito, maraming bago na nangyayari. So, kailangan hindi ka mawalan, ma-distract nga. Tama nga, it's really a good clarification for this. Maraming bagong darating, kaya wag kang madidistract sa bagay na to. Yun yung challenge sa'yo this month. Focus on your goal. Kahit maraming dumarating na bago, experience, don't overwhelm ka with a lot of things. Just focus on it. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Three of Wands. Your ship is sailing. Darating na siya. Kung ano yung pinangarap mo na goal o hinintay mo na manifestation o wishes, ayan na siya, parating na siya. You have decided. I'm also seeing travel because in this card of fortune, darating na yung swerte na hinaling mo at hinintay mo. You have been waiting for so long with the Three of Wands. Now, makikita mo na siya with the ships na darating doon. Natatanaw na niya yung mga bagay na pinangarap niya. So, the Three of Wands is being clarified by the Queen of Cups. Yeah, you put your whole heart on this. You will be very, very happy pag dumating na siya. Tears of joy. I'm seeing you, hindi ka makapaniwala na dumating to sa'yo, na nandito na. Sometimes, we wish on things na hindi natin sure kung darating ba o hindi. Kapag dumating na, hindi ka pa rin makapaniwala. So, this will change your gears, with the parang go signal paiiralin mo naman yung maturity mo and you will have this logical approach para okay, itong gagawin natin. I will not lose faith, I will not lose focus, dire-diretso tayo, walang distraction. So put your whole heart on this one. In the area of your advice, it's a very interesting. You have the Page of Wands and the Three of Swords. I'm feeling that the advice here is focus on the things that matters, focus on the learnings na natutunan mo, because of course, for probably you all know na Three of Swords about sorrow, despair, or rejection, or pain, di ba? But there are a lot of learnings sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo sa lahat ng mga sakit o pain or rejection or sorrow na pinagdaanan mo. Use those lessons na natutunan mo dyan to move forward. And those lessons, i-apply mo siya sa bagay na importante sa'yo, sa bagay na pinapahalagahan mo. Look, si Page, pinapahalagahan na itong one to, doon siya nakafocus, yun yung ina-ambisyon niya makuha. At dahil doon siya nakafocus, nag-grow na ng mga halaman. Ibig sabihin, yung mga natutunan niya before, Hindi naman sila sabing sobrang knowledgeable na niya o sobrang maalam na niya o expert na siya o mentor na siya because page pa rin siya eh. So, natututo pa rin siya as he goes eh. So, yung mga natutunan mo in the past, use that as a tool para mapalago mo tong bagay na importante sa'yo. So, that was your advice from the divine. So, the page of wands is being clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, focus on yourself. Everything that you want will come to you if you uunahin mo rin ang sarili mo. Be content. Kung ano yung learnings and rewards na natutunan mo at nakuha mo before, use that in your advantage. The Three of Swords is being clarified by the Ten of Cups. Yeah, kung ano yung heartaches mo before, use that as a learning curve, as a lessons para maging harmonious ang relationship mo sa mga taong importante sa'yo. Focus na lang dun sa mga bagay na nandyan, sa mga taong nandyan for you na hindi ka iniwan. So, that will be your anchor para mag-sail na tong ship mo. They will be your inspiration para lahat ng pain na naranasan mo mag-turn into beautiful things with your family. Ang Ten of Cups is happily ever after card. If this is a fairy tale, daanan mo na yung monster, daanan mo na yung wicked witch, now nasa happily ever after ka na. So use those na lessons so that everything will be harmonious sa life mo. So bago tayo pumunta sa very interesting na outcome na death card, let's have another messages from the oracle cards. First, we have the chameleon spirit, number 14. Kung significant po sa inyo number na yan, if it's your birthday or someone's birthday na importante sa inyo, this is a confirmation for you. If you have seen chameleon anywhere, whether pictures o video o personal o narinig nyo, napag-usapan nyo somewhere, this is a confirmation that chameleon spirit is for you. This message is for you. Ang message niya ay act as if. Meaning, kung ano yung dream mo, kung ano yung pangarap mo, sa buhay mo siya na parang nandyan na. Have that mindset na nasa iyo na if you want to be a successful businessman, act as if you're a successful businessman. It's about changing your mindset because what you manifest in your mind, ma-attract mo yun at makukuha mo yun sa'yo. So, attract what you want and be who you want to be. Act as if. Another message is confidence is your key to success. New Moon in Leo. So, with the Nine of Pentacles here, kung naman itong fina-focus mo, have that confidence, you will have it. Put your whole heart on it sa pagpasok mo sa new adventure na ito. Maraming mga pagbabago, so be confident, don't lose your focus. So, yun yung secret mo sa iyong success. And the last one is protected by angels. You are being protected by Archangel Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael. Kung ano pong pinaniniwalaan nyo, your spirit guides, Holy Spirit is protecting you. You are cherished by the angels. So, kung nangangamba ka sa tower na to, sa new fortune na ito, at saka sa new adventure, know that you are protected, know that you are guided, hindi ka pababayaan ng spirit guides mo, ng ancestors mo, kung ano pong pinapaniwalaan nyo pong religion o higher power. Just seek advice and help. Isang dasal lang yan, and your guides will be there to protect you, and this is a confirmation that they are with you. Now, let's talk about your outcome. We have the Death card. Huwag mo to pangilagan, huwag ka ma-alarma. This is a beautiful, beautiful card kung isipin mo because it's about change in your life that will lead you to a better position, a better stage, a better scale, a better opportunity. So, para kang nasa cocoon now, pagpasok ng February, lalabas ka as a butterfly. You will have this brand new perspective o bagong approach sa life mo. With a Ten of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Tower, may Page of Pentacles ka, may Three of Cups ka, may King of Pentacles, may the Fool. Ano bang kailangan ko sabihin para malaman nyo na this one is a beautiful and positive card for you? A transformation, harmony with your family, you enjoying the things that you love, freedom, financial freedom. A Death card is start for you to start over. Start for you to have this brand new beginning sa life mo. Use this opportunity para magawa mo yung mga pangarap mo. So Death card is being clarified by the Five of Swords. So use those lessons in the past and use that, sinabi ko dito sa Three of Swords, use those mga natutunan mo, lahat ng hirap, huwag mong kalimutan yon. Use those things para sa pagbabagong dala ng buhay mo. Hindi ka na ulit malalagay sa sitwasyon ng Five of Swords. Hindi ka malalagay doon sa mga hardships and problems because may natutunan ka na and you are a brand new person, a brand new you, di ba? So congratulations on this transformation, Sagittarius. This is your wonderful reading. Congratulations, ang dami mong swerte this month. If you naka-resonate po kayo, kung naka-relate po kayo, comment down below and I'll be reading your comments. I will be replying to your stories. So thank you. That will be your monthly reading for February 2025. Thank you for watching, Sagittarius. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time po for your weekly reading naman next time. Probably next week yun malalabas ko na. So this has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.